Business opportunity available in Macomb. This well-established automotive repair shop located on Highway 136/West Jackson Street in Macomb, Illinois has been in business for many years, and the current owner is ready to retire. Offering his book of business and includes all equipment and real estate. The real estate consists of 1.3 acres of land with 120 of frontage along Highway 136/West Jackson Street, a 40 by 36 shop, 2,520 square feet, with two 12 by 12 overhead doors and one 10 by 10 overhead door. The shop has a 347 square feet office/waiting room with half bath, 2 car lifts, air compressor, pipe bender for exhaust systems, and many other tools needed for the business. Also included with the business is a 2006 Ford Ranger.